school break, eh?
Yes.
Getting ready for the second term.
Right.
Kita nang di bulu ni sama cukup matang di kuisa Binaka. To all of you, to all the bus drivers and the carrier drivers, the minivan drivers, and all the passengers who are listening in this morning. Kita sama ke anda sudah bikin ni, and buru bito kan dia nonton Outspalangi show. Ada nak dem sana Binaka Eleanor.
Ya Binaka to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. Like this tomorrow, and by this time itu nosos ningun sala.
Dina.
Yeah, because our kids are going back to school, and we hope kids, if you are listening in this morning, that you have enjoyed your 2 weeks of holiday. Some are spending it with their grandparents in the village, Momo, Nay maybe. Some are just at home, spending it at home. But we hope that you are all ready for tomorrow. Every stationery and everything is set. Abano ni Binaka, and abuko ni ano ni nategmutale and singa ni mataka.
Sa to all the parents, eh?
Right.
Paano na tagbole mo tabi maingkarabiraw na bida na singa sa ochi, non marutak chuna lubenta non rangante, na buko ni ron mata. So so sitiko.
Right.
And buru pa raw na ikarwan ni iwaso sinibulingo, kapon bimbi na iyo. Vito siya, kibikib ni kita nang sinibuli.
Right.
Dina sa kawa sa Chukumbeka.
Yes.
Dina pondo se.
Right.
Na pondo bilim-bilim taumbale. No, na klabi na kana nonra nambula ya. Na ko ya angka sinibuli tu ilu yan donang ngona dems.
Iyo, hindi na sara.
Iyo.
Kamaro tayo, nanay bitotokan ko ng gas ni Buli.
Iyo.
Bukan na nga, daw siya nga tunin da appreciate ka, nabi ka, bimbi.
Iyo, hindi na sara.
Eran daw garab. Bingarab ito may winimbuka.
Iyo.
Ngayon daw, tiyo ko na nga, kimamin daw, we go out to the communities.
Right.
We go out to the communities and we discuss about our children's achievement and ways that we can improve.
Iyo,
Yes.
Sometimes
Sometimes we talk privately, balatani, we try and we go to their level, know what they are doing. Our kids, and especially life in the village.
Dina sara.
And it is very nice. It is a very nice profession.
Iyo.
Right.
Don experience unique ya.
Yeah.
Non da pabimbi beira na kasinibuli ar sustu na bikorot ka. Ni rangwali na kor, lip talang nakabubor lay buli de kina. There's so many things, eh? They learn when they go out to the village, eh?
How to cook,
Iyo.
how to bake.
Go, pabimbi ra single.
Iyo. Because one thing, we have occasion in the school, eh?
Yeah.
Ito ko na nga, so teachers, you have to bring what? Nationality.
Iyo.
Matanda ko alam tayo, ito ko na social night ni Kasnibuli. So we have to ask the villagers,
Yeah.
because we are often busy,
Yeah.
to bake for us. And sometimes,
Yeah.
we are there witnessing everything,
Right.
and they are teaching us. Also, the kind of foods
Yeah.
that baka mendo dito na puno ang dalesikina,
Yeah.
and the kind of foods that they are known for.
Doon
So when we come out from there,
Yeah.
we are taking that knowledge with us. Yes.
Okay.
Si.
Dem si ko makipaka mong kasinibuli, eh?
Yeah.
Sa kiro sa wista ko chiko tikino mong kasinibuli na doon nga una, mo liser pa kayawa. Muli ka na
Rambi.
Sang muli ka ng bitu.
Kanang bicho na. Sale.
Hey.
Maybe ko rin alam matigi korto na namumali.
See the Asian gang, the bimbo, the young one, the
Yes.
young bimbo.
Ay atu. Au kere-kere. Ayaw siya bulu makaw.
Say, hey, krang si binaka, lang guru binaka.
Isa
Mr.
raw
Fry.
tirto nga may ka.
Tanong ko friend ko ang kalisari Rambi. She enjoyed the experience there.
Right.
Kanang bitu. Iko mo kanang bitu.
Saya nga. Ngore isa simbitu ng bitu watu siya.
Toto ba nang bitu nga go.
Ha? May malolo.
Sengat, ha? Sengat ko sin lolo.
Ay, mga bari.
Bari men. Ren na.
Iya, yung saling bulot to nga na bembu boy. Saling bulot to nga na bitu.
Tas
Eh, basta mata ka bobina ka to maker ko ng bitu to gabi kento siya nga.
Iya.
Kaya baka may ganito na mata stew bitu mi kay kay.
Sen ko na bitu si boy sulo ko kalalay.
Oy, ko kalalay baka lokal katang guru.
Iya, pasal nga.
Oy, o mo to boleh amay.
Eh, mo binaka to the teachers, eh?
Yes.
Matanggali ka na binaka mo sarabi mo gay kana. Kaya baka mo kanyan doon duwa siya nga.
Idem, so mo na ni andon experience binaka. Eh? Me iyo. Ya na pudi bito kan mo tadi ko kita na talo ta chiko. Okay. Gosa na kan ko chika na mandirara.
Right.
The first time for them is to
Host.
Yeah, to MC at the Burit. Na Ndruwa game.
Iya.
Super rugby.
Ito. Tawa-tawa man sa out silang gito. Kaya
Hey, we was there. We went together for the content with Vilmon, eh? Bill.
Right.
So we was there. I told the fella, come. this is a very tough game for us because for me this is the first ever international game to be
Yes,
the
hosted.
MC.
Yeah. I mean to be the MC. Yes.
Ayaw baka untuk membulakin
Right.
Yeah.
because this is the first ever.
Right.
Because every time when Ouch was here,
Yes.
Ouch was doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And after that, Mika.
Right.
Because Mika was on leave.
Yeah.
I have to step in to
Right.
do the thing.
I have no other
I
choice.
don't have other choice.
Right.
Come the Messi. Okay, yes, I can do. From my observation of
Right.
life, I can do.
Right.
When I went home, we will be having the brief, team brief on Friday afternoon.
Right.
So I'll come there. So we were supposed to test everything because it was rainy.
Yeah.
There was no testing. We
Right.
just go there, we just brief from the whatever games will be going on and
Right.
everything.
Yeah.
So after that, on Saturday,
The actual game
the
day.
actual game
actual
is there.
game day,
And
right.
everything is in program. You have to follow. Nothing beat around the bush.
Right.
Eh? You have to follow everything. But myself, I have to translate in Fijian.
Right.
In every word in English, I have
Right.
to translate in
Opa nga,
Fijian.
bos mambua.
Os mambo. Mambo kinong gamo mo na.
Mas mambo na singilay.
Mas mata ka sa durito lo me na mate di visor tu ya.
Here sa hau na uda. Urin ko humbu. Kami lagi. Hey, what's going on?
He was there and during the when punches to the cheese the crackers
Yeah.
and one boy from Automata from Lau and one from Koro.
Right.
One boy. When we go together, orang talaga sabu ko na londra we. I told them na bukalay ito ko. Come. You just cracker in front of the screen.
Right.
So when the cracker run on the screen, you have
Right.
to run too.
Right.
Yeah.
Siyempre, tigil mo na dito. Siyempre, nilima raw sa buta na...
Yung kumakakan yung rotal may.
Rosa ang utu-utu apa sama takan di bos tu namai. Ni saka itu ni spikalele bora rabiti ka.
Iya.
Ndra ulis mai siyempre tigil mo na. Siyempre, Rosa kero sa pinakata na pocket. But thankful to these two.
Yeah.
Right.
They have been participated from there. Then
I
after
don't know. Yeah.
that, sa lao me orna kayo orto na wartas.
Right.
Kila orto na wartas papalangi. Ngayon na papalang tuwira kami namin.
Iya.
Kalau matagal papalang tu weekend.
Iya.
Guys, tuno, Bill, come.
Yeah.
We Bill, sa orto na papalang. Bill, come. We'll interview these people.
Yeah.
Who's? I told this one, tall guy. Kona locks. Balik na itam, pamelaka, ni melem.
Matay mi kayo ko sa tuko na bi nangonog sa baru bi interview tekira.
Iya.
Sember di na interview tapos sa tuko na ra.
I told Bill,
Yeah.
come. You search for the question, I will ask for the question. So, minikilani, papalang.
Iya.
For me, easy for Fijian.
Yeah.
For English, this is international game. You
Right.
have to ask a proper
Yeah.
kind of question.
Yeah,
Right.
tapi kalau mga dota kami kay balang ini kambe namin, natabi ko na tukuna.
Hey, you're thankful. I told Bill, come. Bill
Yeah.
ask his, so when they are the first team to beat Fiji in the home game, in the home
Right.
soil,
Right.
to be 50.
Right.
To beat Tanrua 50, eh?
Right.
Yeah, with
But
50 points.
50 points.
Yeah.
We are thankful to the Tanrua team. They come on the
Come back.
second half.
Yeah.
Right.
But not our night.
Right.
On
Okay.
that day,
Yeah.
we are thankful to the Nrua players, to the Wartas, and especially to us, Derbitokun,
Right.
for coming in numbers.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah? So that we can see the boys are there in the program. After that, come interview.
Right.
Interview. Boy, this is for our content. Some people there at home, they can...
Right.
Ersin ni ada Roma
Yeah.
because of the also
Weather.
Yeah.
so the weather so ersin ni ada pembeka na duru-duru.
Right.
Yeah.
So we have to take everything so that they can fulfill
Yeah.
in their soul.
So
Yeah.
before interviewing, you ask what did you tell the Waritas? I'm very sorry.
So, Bula. they bula. They know how to speak in Fijian too.
Yes, they know
Some
bula.
because
Bula
maybe
is
of the
known.
Fijian
Yeah.
they are
Right.
staying in the neck.
Yes.
They go to get the.
They also have some Fijians playing with them.
Sorry, bula. Oh, bula binaka. We are hype way.
Yeah.
Come. We'll just one short interview because I'm sorry, my English is this part. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Maybe another time. I won't go. No. Come. You just explain the game and then everything happen in the playground. Saya ngai orto kila ni
Understand too.
Iya, na English ni nontai.
Yeah.
They understand.
Yeah.
Yes.
They interview like this in a proper manner. They
Right.
love the game in Fiji.
Iko matukur na kantin de mes bataw vili may tukur tal doni talano.
Isa.
Niko tukur na vi the na logs have. Your English is very good. Sounds nice. Your tongue is sticky. Please give me your tongue.
Kalambotin na katoni.
Can I borrow for Ochpa lagi?
Utia salah maker sama bitalo. Dan makatal ti
Kuni
kobil.
kami namin. Your tongue is sticky. Please give me your tongue.
Dan makatal ti kobil. Tu sa fatu mantay na nunggu English. Utia gue kami tal tu nemen ko. Hayo kan meto gana. Kami tal ti kan nemen ko. Ko bil kunon ne repolo kami na itamba. Kalau kami na itamba mindaru yan. Minabalik to na marama. Thank you very much for your love. All the mothers out there.
Yes.
Thank you very much for the Mother's Day yesterday.
Right.
We thank you for your mother's tongue. Every time.
Yeah.
Anon day boso bosa.
Iya, dia lah.
No from.
Right.
Anon day boso boso.
Iya,
Anon day
iya.
tabo.
Right.
Batakila na punan tataw may kira. Thank
Right.
you very much. We love you all this morning.
Noa, yan binaka bahuni uli ni benua, o luisan tau ruang goma in rasa dam road lo toka. Panu binaka tiani berikan sarang ni buli ana kan tega buta kita le ne korni maswas ni buli. Vai serra moji untuk moi Jim Junior Mil ortona politiko ana singini mataka.
Esa.
Natakele sen milika yan binaka.
Andra.
Dumbulan.
Rokota kala yan binaka di mode, may nalo to berata taile bungo.
Wow.
Ayawa, saya mau nimba be. John Kumar, aku Arnado. Sandina, bahuni uli ni benua, Tom masih mawi.
Sherwood Gorme Albert.
Right.
Canada.
Iya, emori tu iya nawai koro. Do yan benaka.
Nomor besar bikin kada bau botan abadi oso nabi tahu dia soya boli. Last minute shopping ini rolo ben dari sing
Iya.
Beta pada matari mataka like harap tekan share go kuru mundu.
Elna the money.